Hey everybody, J. Jackson here today and welcome to my channel. So today's video is a Power Hour video. It is in collaboration with some wonderful ladies here on YouTube. So each one of us will be doing our own version of a Power Hour, whether it is cleaning or it is decluttering or it is organizing something around your home. As long as you do it within an hour, you are king. Now this collaboration is a monthly collaboration on the 15th of each month. So if you want to participate, be sure to look at the details in the description box as well as the playlist of all the ladies that are going to be participating in today's collab. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. So for today's Power Hour, I decided to focus on my bedroom. So for those who are new here, I am a wife and mom of adult children. On my channel, I like to do cleaning, decluttering, and organizational videos. If you are interested in anything like that, be sure to subscribe to my channel for more content. Now my house is not the messiest home, but because I have help from my hubby and my children are adult, as I mentioned earlier in the video, a lot of times it's a lot easier for me to maintain my home. And now it is time for us to go back up the stairs so that I can finish cleaning up that master bedroom. Also, I believe it's a good thing to clean at least one thing per day to help maintain your home. We can, as women or even just adults, put a lot of pressure on ourselves a lot of times when it comes to trying to have a Pinterest quality type of home, which we know can become very unrealistic. Do you feel the pressure to have your house cleaned all the time? Let me know in the comments down below. So today's collaboration is a monthly collaboration that is hosted by myself, and it is a collaboration dealing with cleaning and decluttering or even organizational type of content. If that is something that interests you, be sure to participate in next month's collaboration. Details for the collaboration will be listed in the description box below. We all know that whether we are cleaning, decluttering, or even organizing, it is never ending. Because as long as we are living into a home somewhere, we are going to have to do one or the other or all the above. So I wasn't able to finish and complete everything that I wanted done, but it was a good thing that I was able to at least clean up some things while the sheets were washing and drying. And so I'm just showing you guys an after effect of how things look once I got finished putting the sheets on the bed. Well, I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. Be sure to check out the playlist of all the other ladies that participated in today's challenge. Be sure to give me a thumbs up because it really helps my channel. Comment to let me know what you think. Consider subscribing to my channel if this is the type of content that you like. And I'll see you guys in the next one.